Hey friends, welcome back to She Will Prevail. If you haven't hit subscribe yet on my YouTube channel, I'm here to tell you, you should. I'm bringing you all the best content that encompasses food, outdoor adventures, and bloopers. So hit subscribe. So I wanted to take you guys on an adventure today to the farmer's market because I'm still in the beginning stages of trying to figure out which farm source I want to use for my tomatoes in the pasta sauce. And I must admit, the selection today was literally one stand. And the woman that I spoke to basically informed me that she wouldn't sell me tomatoes in bulk because I'm not a restaurant. And I gotta admit, it kind of bummed me out because I thought to myself, I'm here, I will buy whatever is necessary to get in bulk so I can start jarring this sauce. So while the selection was grim and I was told no, I'm not gonna let that stop me. So let me just be straight up. When you're trying to start a business and someone tells you no, take it and keep moving forward.